place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before.
Hi guys, so I have been really busy with a lot of things at home because I was with a little visit from Miami. I'm going to talk about a lot of things that I had doing at home, like I clean my turtle's tank. I'm gonna show you this pin. It's so pretty. Well, it looks like my turtle. Also, I had some cojines. I don't know what you call that, pillows. Yeah, so I bought this for my turtle also, and my tank is here behind me. So today I spent probably around 3 hours to clean his tank, and now he's really happy because the tank is really clean. So he's look at me now because he know me. He know that I always give him some food. Hey daddy, hi baby, what you doing? Are you happy? Look, he's so cute. So his tank consists in this platform where he gets sun. You can see it over, right? And also I put some rocks there, some rods, and this white thing is a little like a turtle, calcium turtle, so it's good for his water. Also this is a thermometer that give the temperature, but this in the other side. He turns this in the other side. This other turtle there, and rods. Pretty much the tank is clean, right? I don't put some plants because the plants always mess with the filter and it's no good, so I just leave him like this. What I feed my turtle, well, I give him this, it calls reptomine, and it's floating food sticks. So I give him this little sticks there, he's up. So I'm gonna give him this, and you're gonna see how he gets happy. Check it out. Hey, Daddy, don't look at me. Oh, good job. I have been feeding him almost all day. They had supposed to eat like 3 times in the week, and then like the other times you don't feeding him, but it is a little baby. I feeding like 3 times in the week, really a lot, and in the other days I feed him a little bit. I try to eat some like vegetables, but he don't eat vegetables. Like he don't like vegetables, so I don't give him vegetables. And now that he's a little calm, I'm gonna go to take care of my doggies because they have the nails really long, so I'm gonna cut the nails today. So I guess I'm gonna start first with my little girl. I have everything here that I need, so I'm gonna show you what I need. What I use is this machine, right, for the nails. It comes like in this packet, and it comes in different pins that you can use, right? Look, so you can use this for cleaning their nails, and you use this machine, and you put in here, and this is all. And I'm gonna start. So you hear it's working.
You need me to hide because I'm so hideous?
You can show you naked.
Well, babe, if I'm naked, then I gotta show it.
You can show you naked. You stay there away from my camera. Okay, so who wanna be?
Get some new followers.
Who wanna be the first? Yeah, probably gonna get some new followers if you get naked there. So also I use this kind of it's like some scissors. This is for the nails, right? For cut the nails. And I have this other. I have 2 here, right? So come on, girl, come here. You're gonna be first. Sit down here. Hey, sit down here. Come on here. Hey, sit down here. Good girl. You are good girl. Down. Sit down. Hey, sit down, girl. Come on. Hey, sit down. This way. Hey, this way. Good girl. Stay there. So I have always like look the position, so it's gonna be easy for us, right? You are just relaxing a little bit, so she's gonna be good, right? So you are good girl, yes. So now you're gonna lay down, good girl, and show me your nails. We're gonna see the nails. So look, check. You saw this nail, maybe cut. It's too long. It's so long. Look, check it out. And also these nails maybe cut a little bit. And you can see these ones too. Yes, there. So I'm gonna cut in a little bit. Sometimes I use this machine, and this is all. They don't need nothing else. So sometimes also the back, they don't need too much work. They are really short. Also probably I'm gonna clean their teeth. I'm gonna brush her teeth too. You are good girl. You are good girl. She's relaxing there. Okay, so just use this. I put in just closer. It's okay. So this is the nail, and I just gonna use the machine, right? This machine, and it will be all. She's really calm all the time too. She's really good girl. So all this way. Okay, good girl. Good girl. You're a good girl. You stay there. It's okay. This is gonna be fast. Oh, fast. Good girl. Yes. You're a good girl. You're a good girl. It's okay. This is fast. Now I'm going to clean her teeth a little bit. So just gonna open this. Yeah. Look at you. This is good for you, girl. Good girl. You stay there. Yeah. Very good. Huh? You wanna show me your nails? So his nails are really different because his nails are like black. Let me see. See your nails. I want to show you the nails. Look at the nails. Are black and don't have veins. So I have really checked and really good. You can see a line, and then after the line you can cut more, because if not you're gonna make the hip bleed. So I don't want to do that. So we're gonna cut your nails, boy. I'm gonna take care of you. Just relax. Let me check this one. This is really long. Yeah. Yes. Oh, good, darling. Okay, see that? Okay. Oh, so I'm gonna rub this a little bit here and there and everywhere. You feel better. You're good. Good job. Good job. You're a good doggy. So we are done. Finally, we finish. For the teeth, I use this. It calls Pet Smile, right? And also I use this one, that is tartar control, and we have a flavor here. Sometimes also I use this with water and brush your teeth really good. So
take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold.
oh my gosh.
See where he's at? He's gonna come up over there. See that big wave? That's
Yeah.
it. There he is. You're gonna watch dolphin.
Dolphin life. He's fishing.
I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter.
Hey, stay there, guys. Stay
Don't
there.
know.
Come towards us. Stay there, guys. Stay there. Oh, I got you, boy. Oh, yeah. Come on, buddy. Ooh, it's so hot out here. Okay. Where are you going? You going to the island? Matthew just wants to swim to the Gulf.
He's so sweet.
Good boy, buddy. Here, you want to stay on me? Here.
He gonna abandon you.
Stay up on me. You want to really take a little break? Stand up here. Stand up. Whoa! You
Good girl. She said, "Okay, I'm ready." Good girl. Look at you.
Come on.
She's a good swimmer. Oh, she go for China?
You going to China? You going to Cuba? Bring me back some cigars.
Good girl.
Hold on, you're going in a minute, bud.
Oh, she's swimming really good.
Come on, girl.
Wow, girl.
You want to take a little break? Whoa, no. Come on. You can stand up. Just stand up. Stand up. You're okay. Yeah, see? It's not deep.
Take me
Okay,
back
I'm gonna
to
jump.
a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument? Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb, considered a crime. Communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? argument or just the start of it. I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks the promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when
Okay, so I just get from work and I'm gonna help my husband cleaning like the jar we need cut and cut away, I guess, and do some like cleaning the trees and all that thing. So I'm gonna help him. I was thinking go to the gym because today I get really early from work, but I feel so tired. So I will see. I'm gonna see if I wanna go later. Today is Sunday, so I don't know until what time is open the gym, but I wanna try. Hey mommy, you wanna help us work outside? Okay, so I'm ready. Oh my god. Good girl. Are you ready?
Yeah, hold on. Hey. Way better! Look how beautiful you are! Oh my god, you're beauty! Now that's my wife. This? This is serious business.
Show me your eyes.
I got food all over my face. My dad has stage 4 cancer like I do.
Who told you that?
Well, I know he does. They're not do that. But he's having part of his right lung removed. Like I did. Anytime cancer goes to any organ in your body, you're automatically stage 4. And he told me they're taking his lymph nodes out. They're okay, but they're taking them out. I'm like, dude, you can't lie to me. They don't take your lymph nodes out if you're fine. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
If you give me a piece of wood, give me a long skinny piece of wood and I can knock it out probably. Right there. No, right here, right here. It's right there. There's a purple one right there. Yep, that's the purple one.
Yeah, gross.
You get that when you come back. I'll be done cutting the yard.
Holy fuck! I can't.
No, you already said you're gonna.
I can't. It's so fucking heavy.
Just remember, we gotta take your car in tomorrow morning. I hope you're done by then.
Oh my gosh! No, babe, I can't. Holy
All right,
moly!
listen. I do need you to help me pick up all these little green balls like last year, because these fucking mess up my lawnmower blades.
Go ahead.
I knew you were gonna say that.
Holy
It's
fuck!
heavy, ain't it?
Yes. Oh man. Now I have a lot of things to do. Wonderful. What have you done? I'm going to come back. In the back. Whew. Oh guys, outside is so hot. Where is my little girl? You're hot, mommy? I love you. I know, Bobby. I love you. I love you. I love you. You're gonna work something outside. We'll be back, okay? Okay. So, this bag is for me. Come on that back stairs.
I'll get some too. I'm gonna get a shit.
Huh? A lot. A lot. Everywhere. we had our baby bamboo. It's on bamboo, baby. It's so pretty. It's gonna be like damn huge, beautiful. Yes. I go coming. Oh, okay, it's too hot, sweaty. But what you doing? Mommy have been working outside. I come to drink something, Matthew. I'm so thirsty. Yeah, this definitely. Yes. I look so like. What is going on? You wasn't with me working outside. I'm exhausted. I'm sweaty, hot. Matty, stop! Matty, stop! What is going on? What do you want? You want to go outside? You want food? You want love? Some love? Okay. Come on, sit down here. The chair. Good boy. You want some love? This is what you want? Okay. Okay, you miss mommy? Lay down. You miss mommy? Mommy's so salty. Mommy was outside. I am sweaty, Matty. I have been busy working outside. Me? I have been working after I come back from work. I have been working outside in the yard. Why you complain about that? I all dirty. We have a meeting here. What is going on with everybody? I don't know why he's crying like this. I guess he missed me because I have been outside all day since I come back from work. I have been working in the yard, so he's a little mad for that. But now he's okay. You're okay now? You're good? Okay. Oh, he's ready. I think it's an orange with apple vinegar and it's pretty good. What happened? Just give me a little moment. I don't know what is going on with Matthew. He's crying a lot. The best. I'm gonna cut my hair because I washed my hair yesterday, so my hair is pretty clean, but I need to take a shower. I look like this. I was outside working in my yard, so I put this chair. Yeah. So I have been with this. I don't know. You can see that it's a bruise for my doggy. So, but okay. Ready for my shower. So.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's 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 gonna be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flaws, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a
In
good
real
day.
life,
Wake up,
I look better in real life.
wake up,
I feel like
good day. Wake up.
some people are really photogenic for camera, and people say that I'm really photogenic, but I feel like I look better in the mirror than in the camera. But I probably still lie, I don't know, but check it out. I usually don't use that for be at home, but I'm gonna go do live in TikTok, I guess. So, use a little bit. Pretty much ready. I think I'm gonna do live in TikTok. I talk with my followers and we will see. We're gonna turn off TV's light. Did you have the light turned on and it's getting dark. So good night, baby.
I wanted to go get Teddy some coffee in the grocery room.
Go ahead, do it.
No, not now.
Huh?
Not now. Saying I should have today.
Okay, come on. No, I beat you. So girl, what you doing? Come on here, see with mommy. Come on, girl. Oh, you are so sweet. Who is the beauty girl? Girl. She is a beauty.